Hey gang, it is Wednesday, February 21st, 2018, and I have something special I want to show you today. Those of you that have followed me for years, you know that I did work at the body shop, as a partner in a body shop, and did a ton of stuff at the shop. We were showcasing customer cars and how things were done and different things like that, and that basically evolved into the channel that I have today. One of the projects that I did several years ago was a 55 Chevy short bed pickup. It was a small back window truck, and we were building it as a custom build for a customer. And so in that process, I converted it from a small back window to a large back window, replacing the whole back panel, the inner structure and stuff like that. Ended up putting on new doors and fenders, and had a new bed and custom suspension and all kinds of cool stuff done to it. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to finish that project. I ended up leaving the shop and started doing stuff at home, as you've seen from my videos. So I've stayed in contact with the guy who took on that project. He worked with us at the shop, and he ended up taking on that project at his home shop. And so he contacted me and let me know that the truck is pretty much done. He had a few more small things to do, and he sent me some pictures of it, and the thing looks fantastic. And so I'm going to make the video of that truck. I'm going to go to his shop, and we'll do a walk around on it, talk about it, and I'll post some other. I probably can post some pictures of the truck as it was being in progress, when I was working on it, and then obviously we can show you what it looks like today. So the thing looks fantastic, and so I'm really happy to share that with you. I know a lot of people have been asking about that truck. They said, what happened to it? Was it ever finished? Well, I'm going to show it to you. So let's go take a look. Alright, this is it. This is that 55 Chevy truck that I talked about before. There's previous build videos on this truck, and if you can go back and look at those, and I'll try to link it to the playlist as well. If you watch the other videos, you'll know that this was a small back window truck, and I did a conversion on it to where I put a big panel in the back, so it had a big back glass. Also put on new fenders, new doors, had a variety of things that were added to this truck. And unfortunately, I was unable to follow through with the complete build of this truck, but it was handed off to a good friend of mine. His name is Charles, and he took it over and did a fine job of making this truck look the way it looks right now. So I'm going to do a walk around and try to show you some of the work that's been done and some of the details. The truck is not completely done yet. There's still a few details that need to be addressed, and there's still some cleaning that needs to be done. So you might see some little buffing compound or something on it, but trust me, it's a really, really sharp looking truck. Now, as I said in the previous videos, we took a stock truck and ended up building a full custom suspension underneath it. I don't remember the brand. You may be able to look at the other videos and see that link. But it does have a lot of custom stuff down underneath. So you can see it's got coilovers, 4-link, custom gas tank, custom battery location, and I'll show you more with the engine and everything else in just a minute. It does have tinted glass in it. Did away with the vent windows, so it has one-piece windows in it now. There you can see the wraparound glass. Nice new bedwood, all finished. Internal latches on the tailgate, so that makes it nice and clean on the outside. Of course, little details like the caps on the end of the bed there. I believe those are LED taillights. Let me show you the inside. Full custom bench seat. Smooth dash. There's no glove box, nothing. Radio is mounted down below. Custom center console. Custom gauges. Kind of hard to see. Can't get a good shot unless there's a reflection on it. I think I may have a picture that would show that just a little bit better. Tilt wheel, air conditioning, power windows. Really sharp truck. Let's take a look under the hood. Again, there's still some detail work to do, but I'll show you this. Nice smooth firewall. Beautiful. Aluminum hinges. 5.3 liter. Wind air ram intake. There you can see the top of the custom suspension. Coated headers. Front runner serpentine system. I'll give you a better name on that in a minute. Air conditioning. Just a really cool truck. So now you get to see what this truck looks like. It's basically completed state. I still feel like I had a very small part in it, you know, doing the sheet metal work. Charles did a great job of finishing the truck out, and I think it looks fantastic. So that's about all I can say. Charles does have a channel. He just started it like today. Well, he just started posting videos today. So I'll put a link to Charles, his projects as well. And he's starting to get into the square body Chevys, you know, 73 to 87. And he's building one right now. I think it's an 85 model. So he posted a video. He's learning the process of how to make videos and as far as uploading and all that sort of thing. So I will post a link to his page and give him a follow. He's a great guy, been doing body work for years, and just really a super nice guy. So I think that's it. And if you like this video, you know, give it a thumbs up. Share it if you want, that's fine too. If you haven't, subscribe to my channel. There's more videos to show and share, and plenty more to come in the future. So, as usual, thanks for watching. Did so much work to this truck. I feel like I had a small part in it. So there it is. I'm glad I was able to share it with you, and I was glad I was able to see it in its completed state. As I said before, I feel like I had a small part in it.